One night, Little Monkey saw the moon on the water. Wait! Why is the moon here? Oh no! The moon fell into the water. Help! Help! He called. Soon, many monkeys came. Look! The moon fell into the water. Let's pull it up. One monkey hung from a tree. He held another monkey. One by one, they hung lower and lower. Careful! Careful! The branch broke. It's so cold, they cried. They climbed out, wet and shaking. Little Monkey looked up. Oh, the moon is still in the sky. Then he looked back at the water. Oh, it's just a reflection. Sometimes, what we see is not real. Like and follow.